Have you ever noticed that the size of the cloth sometimes varies depending on where you buy it from? And I mean, if you buy it in the normal cleaning section, you'll probably find a microfiber cloth that's usually around this size. I prefer to use something just slightly larger than that. So these are the size that I like to use, just that little bit bigger. However, if you go to the car detailing section of a store, you will often find microfiber cloths that are this size. Now let's compare. Here's your standard size. I'll go on this side so you can see better. Here's your standard size cleaning cloth, and here's your car detailing cloth. Now I'm not sure whether that's because men usually stereotypically clean cars and have stereotypically larger hands and need larger cloths, or I don't know. I don't know what the reason is for that, but sometimes you need a bigger cloth. Now remember, your cloths are your tools and you have to choose the right one for the right job for you. Sometimes a larger cloth will not be useful because it will carry too much water and too much weight, and it won't be particularly helpful for the job. In other instances, a large cloth like this might be really good for just wiping over the shower and drying it off so that you are getting rid of both the residue cleaning product and the residue water at the same time. So it can be really useful, rather than if you're using a cloth this size, you would have to continually go and rinse it out and squeeze it out. So remember, you have options. Another good thing about a cloth like this is that, let's just say you want to you've watched one of my videos and you want to do something that involves a flat mop, but you don't have a flat mop. Well, what you can do is actually get a broom, because I'm sure you've got a broom, and you can get one of these large cleaning cloths and then just use a bulldog clip in order to clip this up, and then proceed to do your job in places that you can't reach. And then that way you don't have to stand on a ladder to reach high places. So remember, your cleaning tools, they're your tools for your job, and you can use them in different ways. So thanks for watching. Have a good day.